Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the environment reliable. Check that your CPU, GPU, and RAM match the game's requirements and free up 10-20% disk space. Once done, back up existing saves to cloud or external storage so you can experiment without risk. Next, download the latest patch and any runtime libraries the game needs. This avoids mid-run crashes. Make sure drivers are current and restart if asked. Now launch the game and load a fresh or backed up save to start the sequence. You now focus on the delicate middle sequence. Perform mission triggers in the exact order and respect timing windows. Small delays change outcomes. While advancing, maintain a balanced loadout that prioritizes survivability, mobility, and one utility for problem solving. Swap gear between attempts to test alternatives. Use manual saves at stable checkpoints and stagger attempts to isolate what works. If an NPC or event behaves differently, reload the nearest save, adjust timing or positioning. You complete the run by executing the final encounter with practiced rotations and precise resource timing. Commit to the plan and respond to predictable patterns. Once the boss falls, secure the end state. Collect rewards, lock the save, and sync to the cloud to prevent loss. If something goes wrong, desyncs, stuck events, or crashes, verify game files, reset only the problematic scripts, or reload an earlier saved attempt, and rerun the specific segment to isolate and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.